Hi, my name is Eyam Ode, and I am pleased to welcome you to the AutoCAD training guide. In more than 20 years after its birth, AutoCAD remains the king of computer-aided design programs and is the industry standard for CAD designs. People use AutoCAD in many different professions and disciplines. And in this course, we will start with the very basics like drawing lines, circles, rectangles, and other objects, and proceed to learn how to use the various tools in AutoCAD to manipulate these objects to achieve our desired aim. This course is for people who want to get going quickly with AutoCAD, but who also know the importance of developing proper CAD techniques from the beginning. No previous CAD knowledge is required, although that would be a plus, but definitely you need to know how to use a computer system. I'll be using the 2016 version of AutoCAD, but any version from 2010 would be okay. So let's get right to it. Welcome again to the AutoCAD training guide.